Welcome to iTech tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to construct angle 37.5 degree using 45 and 30 degree edge of my 60 degree set square as basis. The first step you are to take is to draw a horizontal line. I have already done this step. I drew a horizontal line of length 70 mm. The next thing I will do is to draw a line inclined to the horizontal line at 75 degree. This can be done using your 45 and 30 degree edge of my 60 degree set square. Next, I will draw an arc placing my compass on the point where the two lines intersect. Now I will bisect the angle formed by the lines. I will indicate the angle I obtained. I have successfully constructed angle 37.5 degree using 45 and 30 degree as basis.